make a big noise playing in the street. Gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace. Kicking your can all over the place, singing, we will rock you. We will rock you. Buddy, you're a young man, hard man, shouting in the street. You're gonna take on the world someday. You got blood on your face, a big disgrace, waving your banner all over the place. We will rock you. Sing it out. We will rock you.
Gentlemen, let's broaden our minds.
I'd appreciate it if you would address me as sir. I believe I've earned it. Yes. Yes. This is ridiculous. For Christ's sake, you want me. You need me.
Shoot. I'm a fair guy, but this heat is making me absolutely crazy.
Substandard. That's right. I have a greater responsibility than you can possibly fathom.
Let's get this straight now. I never fucked anybody over in my life. Didn't have it comfortable. Got that? All I have in this world is my balls and my word. And I don't break them for no one. You understand? That piece of shit up there, I never liked him. I never trusted him.
What I do want is you stand there in that baggy uniform and extend me some fucking courtesy.
Oh, what a big man you are! Hey, let me buy you a pack of gum. I'll show you how to chew it. Ooh.
Here's Johnny. Quit worrying. You'll be back on your knees in no time. Jesus.
Fuck you.
Sir, I believe...
Why don't you try sticking your head up your ass? See if it fits.
I would rather you just said thank you and went on your way. Otherwise, I suggest you pick up a weapon and stand a post.
You wanna play rough? Okay. Say hello to my little friend. Okay. You wanna play rough? Okay. Yeah. Okay. You love that? Huh? You want more?
Snotty little bastard. Don't think for 1 second that you can come down here and make me nervous.
I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm just gonna bash your brain. I'm gonna bash him right the fuck in.
What do you think I am, huh? What do you think I am, fucking worm like you? I told you, man. I told you, don't fuck with me. I told you, no fucking kids. No, but you wouldn't listen. Why, you stupid fuck. Look at you now.
If you had just one chance to take a look through the looking glass,
Keep your friends close, but your enemies closer.
to see the truth for one brief instant, would you take it?
What do you think you fuck with, man? You fuck with me? You fucking with me back?
Would you use it to look at the past or look at the future?
You know what I'm talking about, you fucking cockroach.
Would you look at yourself
You a piece of shit.
or look at the ones you love?
Hey! You think you can take me?
Would you share it with another or would you keep it secret?
You need a fucking army, you're gonna take me! You hear? Come on!
just like you.
Say good night to the bad guy.
What if their lies were your lies? Their loves, your loves.
Wanna play what?
What then? Would you lay aside ignorance and prejudice? Would you stand up and fight for what you believe in?
How fucked up you are!
Would you pick it up? Or would you put it down?
Where did you learn your trade, you stupid fucking cunt, you idiot?
The Looking Glass.
I humiliated you. Oh my God, I'm sorry.
I feel like the fucking asshole.
Daydream, I fell asleep amid the flowers for a couple of hours on a beautiful day. Daydream, I dream of you amid the flowers for a couple of hours. Such a beautiful day.